pala ay pupunta kami dalawa sa Enonkoski. Kasi nagyaya kasi siya sa akin na manood daw kami ng concert ng what is that name of?
Cherole. How to say that in English?
Cherole? Hindi ko kasi alam yun. Sumama lang kasi ako sa kanya eh. Niyaya niya kasi ako. Sabi niya kasi na samahan ko daw siya. Manood daw kami ng concert. Dapat sa ano kami pupunta dun sa Reston Bote. Right? Napili niya yun dito sa Enonkoski. At ito yung view namin dito. Wait lang. Puro yan forest. Diba? So, ang oras ngayon ay alas 8 na ng gabi. Pero maliwanag pa dito. Kasi summer. So, dapat pag maganda yung panahon, lumabas ng bahay para hindi sayang yung oras o panahon sa summer. Kasi maiksi lang yung summer dito sa Europe. Hindi kagaya sa Asia na mahaba yung summer doon, halos araw-araw summer. So ayan, naisipan namin na mag road trip alas 8 ng gabi, pero maganda naman yung panahon. So ayan, walang kabahayan dito, lahat ay puro puno, forest yung makikita. So yung pupuntahan namin ay 38 kilometers pa. So dito kami dinala ng map. Meron namang mga sasakyan na dumadaan pero pailan-ilan lang. So ayan. Meron kami doon na daanan na magandang lake. Sobrang ganda. Mamaya na lang ulit pag nandun na kami, kasi sa buong biyahe na to forest lang yung makikita nyo dito, tapos kaming dalawa. So yun, mamaya na lang ulit kasi mag-video ako doon pag nandun na. So chillax lang muna. So, bye. So gagamit kami ngayon ng Lotse dito sa Hanhiverta. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan yung ferry na sasakyan namin patawid dyan sa lake. Yan lang kasi yung way para makatawid dyan sa lake. So ayan, nakalagay Odo talaw tatas sa samuta ayaw odotos ayaksi. So nandito kami ngayon waiting. So yan, mag-open na siya. So, ganyan siya. So, ayan. Kailangan namin tumawid. So, waiting kami ngayon. So, ganito yung ferry dito sa Finland. Tatawid. So, ayan. Tawid na kami. I think dalawang sasakyan lang yung nakasakay dito ngayon. So patawid na. I think Is this 24 hours? Yeah, 24 hours. So, papunta kami dun. Side na yun. Malapit lang naman siya. Kasi hindi dito naglagay ng bridge. So, ganito yung sasakayan. Safe naman. Ayan, malapit lang siya.
I think we had 3 cars on board.
3. Okay.
I think.
Oh, yeah.
Tapak yun.
I think we used this ferry before.
Literally. I forget that if we use this. Because I think that we used the Dracula one.
Okay, so it's
They
different.
are maybe same color, but this is different place still.
So, ayan, nandito na kami.
It's a funny feeling when car is moving like that.
You need to check if it's okay now.
Tosi kiva. Hyvin meni.
So, yun lang. Yun ulit kami.
3 autoa oli meitä. 3 cars.
Nice. So, ganun lang. Mabagal lang yung patakbo, pero safe naman yun. So, ngayon, continue na ulit kami sa aming biyahe. At yun, mamaya na lang ulit. So, kararating lang namin dito sa Enonkoski. At yung start ng show ay alas 10 pa naman ng gabi. Pero, maliwanag pa dito. So, pupunta muna kami dun sa kanilang Oymaranta. O yung swimming place nila dito. So, nagpark lang kami dun kanina. Tapos, naglalakad na kami. Malapit lang naman siya dun sa parking lot. So, papakita ko sa inyo. Okay, good. Yeah. So, ito. So, ito yung kanilang swimming place dito. So, ayan. May mga naliligo pa dun. So, dito kami sa may kabila. So, ayan yung beach nila dito. So, that's your toilet. What's in there? No, over there.
We can go to check if you want. I guess so. It's just some rock there.
So, meron sila ditong toilet. So, doon yung swimming place. Just be careful.
Yeah.
There's the snakey.
Yeah.
Alas 9 na ng gabi, naliligo pa yung mga bata. So, ganito pala dito, sa side na to.
There's the possible that maybe catch the fish
Yeah, I think.
with that ear belly. You know, the chair in here and
Mhm.
put some nice music and one drink.
So, ganito ka peaceful dito
So,
sa Finland tuwing gabi. So, ayan o, ang linaw ng lake. Ayan. There's a road over there also. There is Saunalauta. So, ayan. Ganyan lang. Ibibigin ko po. So, yun lang. Bisita lang kami dito. Mas maliit yung place ng Enonkoski kaysa sa Outokumpu. Ayan, ayan o. Tiga, may araw pa siya. So, it means maganda talaga yung panahon. So, kaya sulitin na. Siguro makakauwi kami nito mga hating gabi na. Lagpas pa. Kasi yung biyahe namin mahigit 2 oras eh.
I'm fucking off.
So, yung mga bata,
There in the library.
naligo sila. But I have the video.
But you can only film in the third way.
Huh? So, ayan. Yan ang sila di kong lighter eh. Look, there's light right there.
Yeah,
Okay. No, it's not.
it's not like
So, ayan, sobrang ganda. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa town ng Enonkoski. Papakita ko sa inyo yung sand. I'm going here. Hey, hey. So, ayan. Sarado na ngayon kasi gabi na. So, pero mayroong mga bisita dito. Tourist. So, ayan. Ganda ng flowers nila. So, meron ditong sand art. Ganda. So, itong number 1 ay Yoshimatsu, Japan. The next world leader. This is from Mari Hiemai. I don't know how to pronounce. From Estonia. Anatomy of Leaders Mind Games. Franziska Agrawal from Germany. Ito naman ay Sofia Sopanen from Finland. Tooth of Time. From Poland. Lion. So meron pa dito sa taas. So ayan. Wala na, it's broken.
Maybe it's like a kids style, or
Ah,
maybe locals can pray what they like.
yeah.
Maybe that's their own.
This one is beautiful.
Is it like let's say,
Timo Koivisto from Porvo.
is it like some kind of snowman or what?
It's like the reindeer. Oh, it's already broken.
Maybe they never even start.
Oh, okay. But how about if it's raining?
There is some kind of hardening, I think.
Ah, okay. Oh, Sopimus.
It's this is beautiful. Mexico.
Wow. Look at that. Ganda ng mga sand art dito.
Onpa kiva.
From England.
Onpa hieno. Do you know who is these two resembling? Who
Who
is they? This and that.
No.
Who are they?
I don't know. Who are they?
They are some president. Do you know who president?
Si Ninista. Ninista?
No, they are the US president.
Ah, yeah. Maybe you take me photo.
Kyllä.
So, mamaya na lang ulit.
That's Donald Trump. That also is Donald Trump. As a baby.
I think this is the winner from Mexico.
Kyllä. Kiitos! Korve kiittää! Prinsessa jatkaa!
Are you happy?
I'm so happy of that.
Huh? Are you sure?
I'm so happy. Great.
Good show.
You know, we are so happy today. I'm still like a high, but
So, hi again everyone. Katatapos lang nung pinapanood namin na artist. So, midnight na ngayon. At naglalakad na kami papunta sa aming car. So, how's your feeling about the
Oh.
artist?
you know, I wanted to see this artist already many years, and now finally I can make it happen. I'm so thankful to you that you want to come with me, and I'm so hyped. I'm feeling so like young again when watching their show.
Yeah.
They are so energetic.
Ah,
Oh, I'm so hyped of
what
that
time
Chorale artist.
is now?
More than midnight. I don't even know. Almost 00:30. Almost puoli yksi.
Okay, so how's your feeling there?
Oh, I'm so happy that we came today.
Yeah.
I'm so happy also that you came with me.
Yeah.
The Chorale has some English songs and some Finnish songs. And they are full of energy and they have good vibes.
Yeah, so tapos na yung show na favorite niya. At ngayon naglalakad na kami papunta sa aming car. Malapit lang naman yung aming pinagparkingan kasi hindi kami nagpark doon sa mismong place kasi maraming nakapark na. So dito kami ngayon nakapark. Malapit lang naman siya, around 3 minutes walking lang. So midnight na dito, katatapos lang nung show.
Midnight.
Actually meron pang isang artist pero hindi na namin pinanood kasi pagod na din kami. Malayo pa yung aming pupuntahan. Kasi mahigit 2 hours yung biyahe. So, ayan. Mag-walking muna kami.
Midnight walk.
Yeah, midnight
Okay.
walk. Titingnan namin kasi meron ditong koske, right? Like
What is that?
stream, strong stream.
Stream.
So, nandito na din naman kami. So, check na lang din
There's
namin.
the bridge.
Yeah. So, okay lang yan. Hindi naman ganun kadilim. Saka, yung weather, okay naman siya. Tsaka
Yeah,
meron
so
naman
nice
akong
weather.
jacket.
Only t-shirt for
Denim.
me.
Medyo ano lang siya. Vilea. What is Vilea? Cold a bit.
But it's summer night.
Yeah. Where is
Cold
the
summer
walking play path?
You need to use something like this because there is no connection in here.
Yeah, I don't like. So dito na kami dumaan. Hey, be careful. This is not slippery.
We're gonna catch you if something happens.
No.
We're gonna catch.
Hindi. So, ayan. Ito yung stream dito.
Perfect stream after all.
Ang ganda ng pasyalan dito kaso nga lang midnight na siya. So, hindi masyadong kita. So, ayan. Ayan siya, oh. Ang ganda. Ayan. Kabilaan siya. Ito yung kabila. So, yun lang at maya-maya ay pauwi na din kami. Chinek lang namin yung stream dito, sobrang ganda. Siguro kung sa daytime maganda to. So yan, medyo pagod na kami at pauwi na din kami. So thank you for watching everyone. Bye.
Bye.